Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you feet whitening at home. Get milky fair spotless feet at home and get foot whitening with very simple ingredients at home. You can whitening your feet and you can get baby soft attractive feet at home with very simple ingredients. It is super effective in whitening and bleaching the skin naturally and get even toned skin. If you do have dark spots or dark patches on your feet and you want to whiten your feet and get baby foot and you want to soften your feet and get milky fair feet, this magical remedy is for you. It works and it proven and it gives an amazing results. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you'll be notified to watch it and you'll get so many beauty tips from me. You will get so many beauty tips from me, my friends, and you will get an amazing results with my remedies. So make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is egg whites, and crack an egg like so and add the egg whites in a clean mixing bowl. Like that, my friends. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add a face wash or any kind of face wash you do have. Here I have Johnson face wash and it's for babies and it's super effective in lightening skin tone naturally, and also it doesn't cause any side effects. It's all natural and it's designed for babies, so I use it very safely. Then, my friends, we need to add a magical ingredient, which is a pinch of baking soda. And baking soda is super effective in lightening and bleaching the skin naturally, and it doesn't cause any side effects. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix well the ingredients. After mixing the ingredients, I'm going to add few drops of room temperature water and I'm going to mix very well. The ingredients will form like that and will double in size. Now our magical remedy is ready. With an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy and apply it on your feet and leave it to dry out completely, whitening the feet and lightening the feet naturally. From first use, my friends, you will notice a great results. Dip the cotton ball and apply on your feet and leave it to dry out completely, my friends. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.